It's time for the 8 o'clock edition of Volcano News. And hello, I am Colby Gross reporting here for Volcano News. Okay, we just got word from our producer that there's an active volcano. We sent our very own Malachi Bauckham on the trail to find this amazing sight. Malachi?
Hello, Colby. You are absolutely right. I am standing near the site of an active volcano. This volcano is about to go through the stage of eruption, so we need to keep our distance. Reporting live, Malachi Bauckham, Volcano News. Sending it back to you, Colby.
Thank you, Malachi. My producer just told me that Malachi will have to leave that site of that volcano because it is about to erupt. He will be heading back to a different destination, but that destination is unclear now. We will update you as soon as we get word. Anyway, back to volcanoes. The volcano Malachi was standing by was a cinder cone. Volcanoes have a large hole in the top called a vent. This vent is where lava or magma comes out during eruption. Sometimes lava can flow out through the top, or just blow out. When this happens, this is called a bomb. That can cause destruction from the ashes coming down out of the sky. Lava slowly flows out, cools, and then makes rock on the side of the volcano. So when thick magma and large amounts of gas build up under the surface, a volcano will erupt. The most common type of eruption occurs when magma is released. After a brief eruption period in 2010, Doormat Volcano erupted big time. We're going to send it back out to Malachi, out in the wilderness with some more news.
Yes, everything you just said is exactly right, but convection is a huge part in the eruption process. You see, hot lava rises to the top, and the cold lava sinks down. When the tectonic plates go through the state of subduction, that is when the eruption starts. Now, some of the magma is generated by the hot spot. If you need an example of this, you can go to the Ring of Fire. Sending it back to you, Colby.
We will be right back after this short break.
My name's Robin. So as you can see, volcanoes are...
Malachi, you're being fired from Volcano News.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
Now we will make examples of things that go on that have to do with volcanoes. Moving on to the next segment. The next segment is student interviews. How do you feel about volcanoes?
They're very big and explosive, and they go boom and shoot red stuff.
Thank you. How do you feel about volcanoes?
Oh my gosh! Volcanoes are boom, big, explosive, wow! Big, boom, wow!
Sir, do you think volcanoes are exciting or dangerous?
Very dangerous
Why?
because they blow up and they go boom boom.
You could live on top of a volcano, would you?
Yes,
Why?
because it's too cold here.
Well, that's the news for today. Please enjoy this amazing song.
Spot across magma reaches surface. Boundaries can you see most of volcanoes? And dormant is sleeping right now, extinct and won't erupt. Active showing signs that it will bring darkness from above. But if it flows with fire, does it always leave like wine?